Yeah, uncle, you cry, Naki, woman, baby, intrana. Or monster, maybe I change you be. Oh, Naki, dear. And you want a mission. On one player, I turn up, I walk up. Was on paper. One mission. Oh, fatal, hold it to my ball. Near my bit to me, Naki, dear, woman and trencher, on once and bono, Yashijamana. Do impress him, I was your Dawson. Benjamin Asari, impressing me. Thomas Partey impressed me so much. Jerome Jonas impressed me. And Gideon Mensah so impressed me. Tinra, these are the guys omo game no many gym papa. And omo man say impressed me bi no so ye. Edu Kwabran so one say impressed me. I say impressed me because a level of work up na nim say bi obesuan your marketing kitibi when your time share some more clips in Libya na ko suan your market to be own but for the coach have been confident enough to say oyi Jordan a free no oyi Jordan the ordinary be shemu no young star friend Edu Kwabena no
after Jordan film no was jack
we know o kan kran o katwi on ti ababa say no where you coach we have something there ebuzia as a mumu aton ade ama na say enye na o ko akoye o chirichiri mu se no akasen na akoye o be chiri mu sen
okay
emumu aton ade ye fake ama o ba se o beji o be chiri mu sen o ye den what am we did aka na coach ne bi na ode ye adwuma no so manye impressed with Edu Kwabena manye impressed with Inaki Williams me say Inaki pa de Obo Ghana League kura nka wa ha wonya Premier League ni bi mo